Hi, good afternoon. Sorry, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, great.
Let's start the missions, whatever the start condition. So like web server, database server, and Bastion.
All right. Okay, so I'll just open the machines.
Hmm. Yeah.
All the three together.
Yeah. Start instance.
All the three together.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure. Done.
Okay. Let it start.
So I think today we'll be able to finish this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Definitely. Yeah.
So this is done. Then from my side, what I will do is I will make proper notes and I will do it myself once again, imitate it on my machine again. Just accept that I will just not make the NACL and NAT gateway. I will not make. Otherwise, I will make everything else.
Hmm.
Just like
Yes.
oh, it did. So I'll just try to do it and then make notes so that this is done, and then we can move ahead for next topic. Yeah, this is running.
Let us connect with this machines with the terminal. So open terminal with mobile extreme better.
Okay. Fine. So I quit this. Is there a way to quit?
You can
Quit.
use control.
This is the
Okay.
old one.
Okay. No problem. Once if machine starts, if you use the R button, so it will restart again. It's okay.
Advance. Okay, still it's initializing.
Hmm. Yeah. Let us wait. Let us wait. Connect with the Bastion first. Yes. Yeah, accept. Okay. What is this? No supported authentication method available. Public key. Okay. Try again. No, 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 no. Just close this window again. Take a new session. Yeah, take a new session. No, not like that. There is a session name in the options. Yeah, SSH. Go to Bastion. No, no, no. Don't copy entire thing from EC to user host. Paste here till EC to, yeah. Remove remaining. Yes, yes, correct. So now it will be work. Okay. Yes. Now ls. Yeah, the key is there. Now we need to connect with the database, right? Yeah.
So it is already dragged, right?
Yes, that's why you can able to see the key, right? So
Right,
that is
right.
the key database hyphen server 5may.pem. This is the key of related to database. Now you need to connect with the database. Go
Yeah,
to database server.
inside the Bastion, this thing files, we have put this PEM key.
Yes, can you please open database server once? Connect with the
Yes,
database.
yes, 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 yes. Where it is? Okay. Now what I'll do is
Connect.
this SSH
Yes,
key, right?
yes, yes. Because your key is there, right?
Yes, the key is already there.
Yeah, then paste everything. Host.
So sudo, because
Yes.
before when we were writing sh, then it was
Yes.
not taking poor
Yes.
connection. It was saying now sudo. It was saying then it was actually taking
Yeah,
the
yeah. Sudo means that is complete privileges.
privileges.
Yeah, right. So now you are in database.
Yeah, then let's see the 999
Now,
privilege. Right, that's right.
yeah, sudo su hyphen,
Sorry,
sudo su hyphen,
sudo hyphen yes.
hyphen enter. Yeah. Now try to install any software like related to Python.
Sudo hyphen I so it's so we gave sudo ssh this thing, we give the permission, then what is the meaning of sudo su hyphen is that a is that the command for something very specific,
Yes,
because
it
we
is
have
very specific. So before you type this command, you are into this home page. So which means you are in normal user, which is EC2 hyphen user. After using sudo su hyphen, you entered into root. So root privileges. So you'll have all the permissions.
oh yes, okay, fine, yeah.
Okay, so now you no need to mention every command before sudo. Okay, earlier you was while you are trying to connect with the database, you mentioned sudo in normal user, but now no need to mention any sudo before any command. Okay,
Right, right. But we already did sudo this. So why do we have to again write sudo su hyphen?
sudo that is actually giving permission for entering the host. Okay,
Okay.
just one time only, but Once after entering that, we no need to mention sudo all the time, so that we now once you enter with the sudo so now, no need to mention sudo now.
No, yeah. So it's root. Now it's root,
Now
right?
it's you are in root privileges, so then directly you can install m install. You can
Anything?
take one if you want to download Python, yum install.
Yeah.
No need sudo now.
Right.
M install
Python or whatever.
Python 3 star star space -y.
Why means for everything. I mean, why is like a forceful thing.
Mm. Y means you are giving permission. So without Y, it will again ask, should I continue or not?
Mm,
So
why?
before that only you are just allowing it.
Right.
Do you need to
So
continue to download this or not? Like that.
right.
Okay.
So to download.
So enter.
Right now, it will not give permission because it has not.
Yeah. So because we for database server we did not allow any kind of internet because it is completely secured. This database does not have any kind of internet service right now.
That's
So
right.
if you give permission for the internet through internet gateway, that is not safe. So we need to give safe internet to this database, so that there is a service called NAT.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
that NAT gateway we need to apply. So can you please type NAT in AWS?
Yes.
So NAT you don't need to give anything. This is a service which is providing by AWS. That AWS will take care everything. So the background what how internet is getting in the city, you don't need to take care of everything. So
Okay.
that is actually providing, that is taking care, and that is maintaining by AWS. The
Beautiful.
service you just need to utilize it
Yes.
to keep the stable internet. Okay, so we have to keep NAT for the databases, any
Give
kind of
internet.
databases, any secured databases, you just need to use NAT. So for every
To give
NAT
internet.
should have EIP, Elastic Internet Protocols.
Yes.
So because that
And
stable internet should be provided to this particular database or secured databases or private subnets. So that is the reason you must have dedicated IP address. For example, if you don't mention any dedicated IP addresses, so any disturbances occurs, IP address will change. So then again, disturbances will be there. So that reason NAT is providing EIP, Elastic Internet Protocol. Okay, so we'll discuss that. Okay, so first you need to create NAT gateway. Click on NAT gateway. Next, to give the name my NAT gateway.
mhm. Okay.
Give the name
Yeah.
for private subnet. NAT hyphen private subnet. You can give like that also.
Right. Right.
Yeah,
Fine.
right. So your subnet must be, you just take 1A enough.
So we will take the private one, right? Or sorry, public one,
Yeah.
because it is connected to the public one.
Yes.
Right.
One, yeah. Next, elastic IP you need to provide, right? Allocate elastic IP. This is chargeable.
Yeah.
And create an ad gateway.
So this is done.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So as earlier mentioned, after creating NAT gateway, you need to provide route tables, correct?
Yes, so route tables here are
So
on the left.
now connect NAT gateway to entire private subnet. You need one route table. Okay.
Yes. So I connect to the route table here.
So yeah, already route tables. Go to route tables once. One second. Go to route tables.
So here.
Yeah.
Route table we already have, but for a
Yeah.
different.
Default route tables available, right? Let us take that. No problem at all.
Yeah. There
Click
is.
on route table.
Yeah, we have my.
Yeah. Choose any default one, not that one. Any default one. Let us take default one this time.
Okay, this one.
Instead of creating new one, we can also utilize the default route table.
Okay, fine.
Okay, click on that and actions. Wait. Here, edit subnet association, edge association, route, edit routes. One second.
Yeah.
Mm, Go to edit routes once. Okay, one second. Internet gateway is there already. Okay, go back one step. So what I'm looking is actually I first we need to associate a private subnet to our route table. Go to routes. There is actually table. You see that routes subnet as not in actions, not in actions. Below, yeah, routes. Yeah, routes. Yeah, routes is there. Wait. Associations. Any associate subnet association?
Subnet associations.
Edit subnet association. Yeah. So this first one you can select, no problem, right? So
Okay.
these are all default one. Okay, you can take this and save associate.
Okay.
So you just keep in mind 172.31, whatever is there.
So we chose this, right? We chose this, and then we went here, and then we did subnet associations.
Yeah,
But
right.
there were three. Here also there are three.
Three default one only, no problem. One second.
So we chose this, and then we saved.
Yeah, correct. One second. Three default one only.
But one we created.
Which
I
one?
don't know, I don't know which one we created. It does not have any name.
So whatever we have created with our custom names only we kept, right.
Yeah, but there is no name. See, you can see there's no name.
Uh-huh. Okay, so
There's no
I will
private
select
subnet. There's no public subnet, and there is no my route table also because I named this route table by my route table.
So can you go back to route tables list of route tables?
Yeah, going
So
see
your route table is there, right? So my project route table.
and subnet we have private and public, but here it does not show anything.
You do one thing. The first one is there, right?
Yeah, we chose this one.
Choose no, not choosing. Make it as a name. First to make some different names. Let us keep some names. First one you can keep route RT1 like that. RT1.
Okay.
Okay, save. And second one RT2.
Okay.
Okay, right. So the third one is actually our custom route table, right?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. So now go to
but we
route.
chose this one. But we chose
Yeah,
this one.
first
We
select
did
the
this.
first one and yeah.
We
That's what.
did
That's
this.
what. Now save associate. Next,
But here also it does not name it, right?
but it
This
is actually taking you through, right? That is, you can remember it with the ID also, and also route table ID also is there, right? RT1, you see route table ID, there is a name.
But or in all, yes,
Yes, yes, that is the one. Yeah, RT1.
all are IT1 actually.
All are RT1. Okay. Now, can you try to give a name here?
Where?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Uncheck mark. Yeah, try to give a name. Try.
there's no name because there's no edit button.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, edit subnet associates. Let us take this first one. You just remember the ID. C2E, last four digits. 2C2E. That makes the
Okay,
difference.
okay,
Subnet
fine.
ID is 2C2E 740 and 5D6 are three are different, right?
All three are different.
No, no, no. Subnet ID is there, right? Subnet ID.
Subnet ID, all three are different.
All three are different. First one is 2C2E 740 5D6. We chose 2C2E. Just keep in mind. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Save it.
Problem.
So already you saved it. No need any changes. Now go to routes
Okay.
again. Go to routes again. Yeah, yeah. 1 second. Go to route tables. Yes. Actions. Oh, okay. You need to choose first at least one.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. Edit routes. Yeah. So for here, NAT gateway, you need to mention some NAT gateway.
Yeah.
Yes. NAT gateway. Yeah. And 0.0.0. First one, destination path. Whenever you allow 0.0.0.0 only, the internet will goes to NAT gateway. Yeah. Save these changes.
So it will all it will take all.
Yes. All. So we are allowing internet to the NAT gateway. Save this. Oh, okay. Can you check mark on it? NAT. You need to choose it. Yeah. 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 1 second. So here NAT.
I think you have to choose something, but
Wait. 10 dot 0 dot. You can keep
trying to see. Uh,
NAT gateway. What
there's
is it?
no
Valid resource.
there's no drop down actually.
Mm-hmm.
There's no drop down.
It will get actually 1 second. 1 second. NAT gateway. It should get the drop down. It automatically takes that actually. Right?
Maybe let's see. Save.
No, it won't accept. A valid resource. What is it? Valid resource.
Yeah, it says that.
Yeah. Okay. Let us do one thing. Go to route tables again. Route tables. 1 second. In this route table, which one is NAT gateway? NAT route table. The first one we are saying, right?
Yeah, first RT1.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second here, Sam. Route tables. Or else create new route table
Okay,
with our own custom name.
but then we have to delete that also, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Subnet.
Yes. Okay. So now VPC select private or public. Private. One second. One second. One second. VPC. You just choose private one. Only one VPC, right? Right. Right. Correct. We have only one
Private one.
VPC.
There is one,
Only one
and there
VPC.
is
You
one.
choose it. Yeah. And create route table first. Okay. Go to route tables again.
Subnet association. We can directly do that. We don't have to go to route table. We can directly go to
Okay.
subnet
Go
association,
subnet association. Okay. Edit subnet
and then
association. Now select private. Select
now this is
private.
better.
Yeah. Select private subnet.
Public, because NAT gateway is in the public subnet, not the private subnet. So it has to be under the public subnet, isn't
Uh,
it?
One second.
Is it
Actually,
or
we are actually giving this NAT gateway to private, right?
okay, fine.
So let us
But
choose private once. Let us
okay,
try once my way. Let
fine,
I'm trying with my way.
fine.
So if not works,
Because
let us go with again. Okay.
okay,
Save it.
what we were doing is we were keeping the infrastructure we were keeping in the public subnet, and we were isolating the private subnet. So that means the NAT gateway, the NACL, the everything was
No, no, no. Here, my intention is we are creating NAT gateway. That NAT gateway we are
to
actually
the private.
attaching to the private subnet.
Okay, let's see.
Okay,
Let's
so
see if
let's
it
see
is
here.
good.
This is my intention. Let us try this way. If not works again, let's come back.
Then
Okay,
save
save
associations,
association.
right?
Yeah,
Then save, right?
save.
Okay, fine. Any other thing
Okay, next
attached?
again we need to go routes.
Okay,
Routes is the right. Edit routes. Routes already here it is. Yeah,
yeah.
edit routes.
Edit routes.
Now edit routes. Now
Okay,
add route.
add route.
Instead of this,
Okay, please tell me.
instead of NAT gateway directly we can choose from here, right? So instead of local, can you click on that local? Okay, add rule, add
Stop.
route.
Yeah, add route is
Yeah,
already
already
there.
done, right? So remove one extra. Got it. So first you need to choose 0.0. Wait. First you need to choose destination. Hello, the internet. So next go to NAT gateway.
Everything zero, right?
Yeah, zero. Yeah, right. So next to NAT gateway. Yeah, click on that again. That NAT. Yeah, you choose now. Yeah, you choose now. Choose it.
Yes, this is the one we created.
Yes, choose it. Now save the changes. Okay.
So we create our NAT, and then that NAT we have to select.
Can you try to go terminal once?
Sure.
Database terminal. Yes. So can you try to install again this?
Yes, of course. I think so. There are two, right?
This one only. Yeah, it is working, which means we correctly,
Gave internet to the private
yes,
subnet.
yes, we correctly did it. Okay. Some whatever the packages are, that packages are installing. Okay, yum
Yes.
install,
The,
yum update. So whatever and you want, you can do. Whatever you want to download, you can download. Whatever you want to
the
update, you can
default one, it does not take. It takes, but you have to choose the subnet. So what we did was we did two things here. We did when we created first we created the NAT gateway. and we created the route table, and then that route table, for that route table we chose our private subnet because we want to
Yes,
give
because
to that.
private subnet, why we have chosen private subnet in the sense we are giving internet to the private subnet,
That's right.
right? NAT gateway is providing the internet. That providing internet is giving to database. Where is database in private subnet? So we are giving that NAT gateway to private subnet. That's why I've chosen private subnet.
And route table, because when we were selecting the default route table, it was not showing the options. So
Yes.
when we created a route table, then it was showing that
Mm.
option of selecting the NAT gateway which we made.
Yes.
So I think we have to make a new one. Default one sometimes it just not
Yeah,
shows, or maybe we
default
have
one
to figure
also
out.
we can utilize, but we can if we can create it and we can create our own way, best way, right? So these are all related to VPC. So in companies also, if you want to isolate your databases, we can do it from here itself. So this is the way. So however you are doing, so these are all steps will be there, correct? So
And this elastic IP already got created, right?
elastic
Because when we clicked,
elastic yeah, yeah,
it
go ahead.
already got. Yeah,
So elastic IP is running right now. Okay.
I know,
So that
I know
is
it is running.
actually chargeable. Be careful if you want to. So after finishing this class, don't forget to remove this elastic IP. So that
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
I will remove it when you say. If you say now, I'll say I'll delete it now. If you say later,
no, no. Just keep like that. So after finishing this class only, we'll delete. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So next thing is actually we need to create NaCl.
Right.
So NaCl theoretical part done. So let us try the practical one. So I want to create our custom. So we want to create our custom NaCl part. Okay. Already setup is there with us, right?
Yeah.
So let's create NaCl. Go to the global search.
Okay, just a second. I'll just remove it.
Uh, so let us create NaCl.
Yeah. Done.
Right. So you got NaCl, right? Where is NaCl?
Yeah.
This is NaCl, correct? So
Yeah.
first what we have to do is we have to just keep create NaCl. So these are default. Let it be. So keep your name like my NaCl something like that, or my public NaCl like that. Okay. So you need to attach this NaCl to your VPC, correct?
Of
Which means
course.
main door we are creating to the VPC.
That is the step everywhere. We have to,
Yeah.
anyways, choose the VPC and subnet
Yes,
every
definitely.
time.
You are attaching NaCl to your VPC. Okay. Your project VPC we are creating. We are
Yes.
actually making one door for your VPC now. Okay. That is
That's right.
actually for secure purpose. For secure purpose, we are fixing a door to the your VPC,
Yeah, that's right.
right? It is just a kind of
Feel.
door, so you can consider it for your VPC. That's it. Okay, next click on create a network NaCl, ACL. Next
Done.
go to subnet association. Go to actions. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. Subnet association. Yeah, edit subnet association, which means we are associating it.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's right.
Associating. and make it public.
Public only because
Yeah.
it is in the public architecture.
Yes, exactly. We are actually keeping this NACL to your public. Is it correct?
That's right.
So
That's right.
make it save this. I attached for that means I'm telling that means what I'm trying to do is I just fixed a big gate for your VPC. Okay.
That's right.
So now association is also done, right?
Their inbound and outbound rules.
Now what you do is currently whatever the website is there in your web server. Okay, let me share my screen here for better understanding. One second.
Okay.
Let me know, Sam, if you see my screen.
Yes. Yes.
See this? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. It is visible. Is it? It
It
is
is
visible.
visible, right? So we just fixed NACL here now. Okay, we are attached. Just we attached this. We actually created this door. Means NACL we created, and also that we attach it to public subnet. Correct?
Yeah.
Now what we have to do is this. So we actually fix after fixing this, let us try whether this internet is able to access, whether this application is working or not. So what you have to do is let us try to access the web server right now after fixing this NACL. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So
Got it.
now you can share screen and try to access the public what is that web server. Okay,
Okay.
can you please open that web server?
Okay.
Can you go to
And
EC2 instances?
I feel sorry.
Go to EC2 instances. I'm just fixing one door there, Sam. Nothing else. I'm just fixing one door. After
Yeah, because
fixing this
internet was
door,
already there actually. Internet was already there.
yeah. But thing is, earlier actually without NACL, we allowed all the internet to the public subnet. Is it correct?
That's right.
So then your server able to access earlier. But after that, what we have done is we actually fixed one door now in between your application and your internet. Let us now try whether this web server is working or not.
Correct.
Let us try now. Web server is working or not. Let's connect with the terminal, web server terminal. Connect it. Go take a
Git bash.
so now take a IP address. First copy that. Here is IP address, right? This public IP.
You want the IP address.
Try to take that public IP and paste that in your browser. That should be HTTP. Enter. You understood? It
Yeah, yeah.
doesn't work. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
It will be a continuous 24/7. It will slow like this, which means we attached NACL means I am blocking all the ports. Clear?
Yes.
I am blocking all the ports. Now what we have to do? We are going to open ports one by one.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to open the ports NACL, access port
NACL.
and HTTP.
HTTP.
Sam, my voice is
Sam.
getting back.
Yes. 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 I can hear you. I can hear you.
But my voice, I can able to hear my voice again.
Oh.
Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. So now what you have to do is click on public NACL. Yeah, you clicked it, right? Okay. Go to
Yes.
inbound rules. Go to inbound rules. Very good. Very good. Yeah, here itself. Edit inbound rules. Can you see? Just stop here. You can see you blocked everything.
I
Okay.
blocked everything.
So now you need to add the rules. Add the rule. Okay.
Okay.
So rule number, you can keep your own number, your wish. Any number, you keep 110, 100 or your wish. Okay. Any number, your wish. Okay. Next type is SSH. We need to allow SSH. We are actually giving permissions to particular permissions. Only these people only need to be enter so and so area. And
Yes.
means authorized ports only we are allowing,
Yes.
right? So SSH connect, SSH you mentioned. Oh, that's fine. And the source, okay, your laptop IP. So that click on that IP source
Okay.
port. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, um, what you need to do is let us take other tab. Take other tab. Take other
Okay.
tab. I'm asking tab.
Yeah. 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 Doing.
No, extra new tab. New tab. No problem. New tab.
New tab, right?
Yes, new tab.
Okay.
Here in Google, you just type what is my IP. Google, what is my IP? Oh, IP. There is, yeah. Click on it. First one. Yeah, your IP has copy your IP address. What happened? Not copying.
Stop.
Yeah, take your IP address.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to take it. Stuck.
Yeah, check it. Okay. Yeah, here is you got it right. IP details 110.1. Oh, okay. Copy that IP address and
Yeah.
just paste in rules source.
Yeah. Going. Okay.
I think it is yeah. Yeah, paste your IP slash must be mentioned. Uh, Anything like 32 you mentioned. Okay, that's it.
Anything.
And
Anything.
what
Need to
is
provide. Yeah.
and you see that allow and deny. Okay, so if you allow,
Yes.
it will allow. Okay, if you deny it, it will block it. Okay, next rule.
Okay.
Next, add other rule. Also, you need to allow. You can keep any number 201. Doesn't matter.
HTTP.
HTTP port
HTTP port, right? Yeah.
HTTP. Yeah, 80, right? That one. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Keep it because you need to allow right to others. So I need to
Yeah.
access to yours. So
Already
save
mentioned.
changes. Save
So I am
changes.
allowing myself and allowing
Yes, others.
others.
Correct. Yes, save changes. So can you try to access now?
Yeah, sure.
No, you already opened, right? Yeah. Try to.
But there'll be some outbound rules also, maybe.
Let us try here. Let us try. Oh,
Till
so
the-
exactly yours is really good catch because once you attached any gate inside and outside, for example, if you keep on security, how that security acts in corporates, so he will check your inbound rules. he will also check outside. Okay, outside people are who are going, he will check with them. Okay, who are coming from the inside. Okay, so he will check with it also. Okay, who are entering, who are exiting, everything he will be checked. Okay,
Yes,
security work is like that only in corporates, right?
yes,
He
yes.
will track every incoming and outgoing traffic, right? Same way here also, yours is really good catch. You need to check with the outbound rules. Can you go back to outbound rules? Go to outbound rules. Yes. See here, outbound rules is blocked by NACL by
Sorry.
default. Whenever you created NACL, your outbound rules has been blocked. You see this delay? You see the delay, right?
Yes, everything will be blocked.
Everything blocked. So you need to add rule. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
I think my,
Yeah. You can. This is very specific. Okay.
so SSH or something else.
Here you do one thing. First you choose SSH and after that HTTP both. Okay. Because both we added from inside, right? So inbound rules we added both, right?
Yep.
Same. Okay. So your system IP address you again we didn't copy.
Okay. Put that.
Yeah. Your system IP address copy it. Slash 32.
On I do that.
That one only, or this is different.
I think it's different. Let's see. I will check out.
Yeah, 110, 163.
Let's see.
110, 226, 177.
It's
Slash
same.
32. Okay. So now, wait. Wait. So now HTTP also you added. That's good. Save it now. Outbound rules. So you need to observe one thing here, Sam. Whenever without NACL, if you create ports, for example, you allowed SSH port and you allowed HTTP port, but you did not do any changes for the outbound rules, right? Outbound rules always allow, correct?
Yes.
So by default, outbound rules will be allowed without NACL. If you
Okay.
allow any traffic inbound rules, so
Okay.
outbound rules is defaultly opened. It will allow
Okay.
all outbound rules.
Okay. You don't have to specifically do the outbound rules
Yes,
automatically once you do
yes.
inbound. But
By default, outbound rules. One second, Sam. Can you wait
yeah,
here.
yeah. Yeah.
Wait here. Go to that same tab, public tab, server tab, last tab. Yeah, here. Just click on that IP address. Take a left arrow. Take left arrow. Okay. Copy that IP address.
Okay.
Okay. You do one thing. Take other browser. Uh, Windows. No.
Browser. I think you'll do it in.
Send it to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. And this is working, right? This website also cross check with once your web server whether this web server is working or not.
Okay. Mine is not working here, right? See?
One second. One second. Yes, HTTP. Can you cross check with the IP address of your web server?
Yeah, this is 13, 60, 75,
Uh,
57.
go to EC2 instance.
Yours is working there, or only my here it's not
No,
working?
it's not working. Let me.
Right.
It's not working.
Okay,
Let
okay.
us. We need to cross verify it again.
Right. Oh, what happened?
Yeah, VPC. Go to VPC once. Sorry. EC2.
Yeah. Just a second,
Go
sir.
to EC2 instance.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
It's okay.
So in every project you have NaCl and
Yeah, it depends upon requirement. Depends upon pure requirement only. So this is not mandatory. So it depends upon your requirement and it depends upon your security.
okay,
So we have options. We are learning here how to enable it.
okay.
So whenever you get requirement, you should not be like that, right? So you should be aware of that. NSL, yes, I can do NSL. You must say like that, right? Okay, this IP address is not working. Let us cross check with your EC2 instance.
That's what happening. Refresh it again. Net is working fine, but this is
Yes. So here what we have to do is we I would like to add one more thing here. Sam, actually we are proper process only. Wait. Actually, one more important concept is there, ephemeral ports. Okay, so
yes,
we have
short.
actually ephemeral ports. So what is ephemeral ports? Ports always be changed. Means we have actually 0 to 65535 ports are there in networking. I mentioned, right? Huh?
Yes, there are some ports. Yeah.
Yeah, some ports are there. Ports number is 65535 total ports numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So 1024 to 65535, these ports are called ephemeral ports. Can you Google it once?
Sure. What's happening? It's not.
Wait. Sam, let us go back just follow some steps.
No, following steps. Just saying that it's taking time.
One thing is, what is the purpose of ephemeral ports?
Yeah. What do you want me to type?
What is the purpose of ephemeral ports? What is the purpose of
Right.
ephemeral ports?
Right.
Yeah, first of
Yeah,
all,
first of all.
see here. Ephemeral ports are temporarily network communication endpoints used by client applications to establish connections with the servers, ensuring that multiple clients can connect simultaneously without interacting with each others. They are assigned dynamically and are valid for the duration of the communication session. So can you see the second temporary nature 10242 65535? Okay,
Yes.
this range is actually temporary nature. Okay,
Okay.
0 to 1023 are the most busiest ports in the ports. Okay,
Okay.
1024 to 65535 are very
Short,
less used ports.
short term ports. Yeah.
Again I'm telling 0 to 1023 ports are very
Yes.
busiest ports in the world. Okay. So 10242 to 65535 ports are very less used ports.
Yes.
Okay. So hackers are there. For example, if there are some hackers, right? Hackers, they want to hack our ports. For
Yes.
example, they want to hack our ports in between 1024 to 65535. huh? So they will try to harm. They will steal our database. So
Right.
to encounter these hackers, so we maintain ethical hacking team in our teams, in our projects,
That's right.
right? These ethical hacking team, what they will do is they will keep an eye on the projects. Okay, these guys will protect our data from unethical hackers.
That's right.
So one activity they will do, they block all our ports. Then customer, what they will do, the, for example, if there is no hacker's time and nothing else, hacker will try to block entire our ports, for suppose.
Right.
So what will happen? This kind of whatever you are facing right now, the same issue will be faced to customers also. They will not see their data, they will not see their content, they will not see their websites.
Yes. They. Yeah. They'll block
So
it.
then what will happen? Our websites may get down, business will lose.
Mm.
Okay. If they block one website or 1,000 website, doesn't matter, right? So
Mm.
it will be affect your business.
Of course.
Even if they block our ports in server level, what if they block HTTP port in NACL level? Okay,
Mm.
if NACL level, if they block the ports, it is a major security concern. Okay, so I need to protect my subnet. I need to protect my NACL, right? So this level NACL protection level must be taken care by hacker activity. Okay, suppose assume my any hacker attack our block, or they blocked our ports. Okay, then you blame AWS, right? Definitely, because even though NACL is there, but still they got blocked.
Right.
Okay, so hey AWS, you will say like that. Hey AWS, so you said those layers, security layers you provided. VPC is one layer, NACL is one layer, ports inbound rules over one layer, outbound rules over one layer. So I also mentioned some database in secure private subnet also, but still there is no any trust on
Security.
your AWS. If you say like that,
Yeah.
so layers of security you mentioned, okay, but you are promoted your business by advertising like that. So now our website goes down by trusting your service. Now you can trust you. I trusted you, but there is no any security you provided. So you will blame like this, right? AWS definitely. If you blame, one blame came from any AWS customer, AWS, Amazon, uh, you know, their rate, their level, business level, and their brand level will be migrated down.
Of
Okay.
course.
So then AWS saying that, hey Lokesh or hey Sam, so listen guys, carefully you need to follow some rules. Okay. The port must be 1025 to 65535 will be there. So these ports HTTP is actually need to provide 443. Okay. So Sam, you opened entire port system. Okay. If you open all ports, what will happen is they will come and they will try to block your system. Okay. If you open entire port range at subnet level, so that if at all, if any kind of hacker blocks any important port, so being AWS administrator or AWS engineer, what I do, what I will replace that
Okay.
random port which is replacing 443 to 110 port, so
Mm.
that operations can be resumed. Okay, so if the hacker also will block entire port range. Also, what AWS is doing, AWS is alternately providing some ports. You understood? That is 440 through 110 port. 443 to 110 ports. They are actually, these are secure ports. They are providing, even in this case, anything happens, what you will do, you will reach back to AWS customers team, AWS technical team. At that time, they will find out. So what is the issue? So this block range, the ports range has been blocked. So to alternatively, to secure your data, okay, to access your data, so their AWS is providing 443 to 110 port. Okay, so I need to open this ports range 10242 65535. Okay, for example, if you go to your EC2, whatever NACL, I will show you. So I need to open this port range 10242 65535. This range only.
Okay. Hello.
So once you open NACL you created, right? Public NACL.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there actually we need to open some port
Port.
range. Okay,
Mm.
that range must be 10242 65535.
Yeah, sir.
This range you are actually allowing. Okay, so then
Temporary port.
if anything happens, what they will do is AWS people. For example, this range blocked by hackers. For suppose, what they will do is alternatively we have actually another port 443 to 110 100 1100 ports are there, through
Yes.
which they can protect us. You understood?
Right.
So now what you will do is you just open your NACL once.
Okay.
One second. No, just keep like that, don't close. Keep it. To open your is I'm asking open NACL which we created.
Yeah, right. What I'll do is I'll close this completely. I think so. It's not.
No, why it's
Wait. Sir.
hanging?
It is hanging. Let me
Oh. Okay.
again open
Maybe
it.
you need to remove your temporary files. Your system is too much busy.
Problem. Open.
Yeah.
This is not the one. Yes. This is the one. Fine. This is the one.
Now go to NSCL. Oh, take 2 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. There is the search bar. Search.
NSCL is there. Yes. Your
Okay.
memory is really full, Sam.
Yeah, I think
Even
so.
even even all the files you are keeping in C drive.
Yeah,
So bifurcate your
I will. I will. I will. I
yeah.
will. I will clean it up. I will release the memory. Though there is enough space in C
Yeah.
also, still I don't know. This is ridiculous.
Else open command prompt and try to remove temporary files. See, I would like to, however, I would like to add one more point here. So you asked me stateful and stateless, right? Okay. So here the concept came. Okay. So you might have seen inbound rules and also you might have seen outbound rules. Okay. Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. You connected again. Good.
Now it should work. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Sam,
fine.
in previous class we have little discussed about stateful and stateless. Okay. So now this is a time to discuss about stateful and stateless. Okay.
Yes.
See, in inbound rules you might have seen inbound rules and also outbound rules, right?
Yes. Yes.
So by default, entry and exit doors are opened. Okay, for this inbound and outbound, right?
Hmm.
So if you delete outbound rules, what will happen? Outbound ports.
It will stop. It will not give access.
Yes, correct.
Right.
By default behavior of outbound rules are by default behavior of outbound rules
It automatically gives you access. If
automatically allows everything.
yeah.
Correct. So that concept called stateful.
Okay.
Whatever the security groups are there, all the security groups comes under the stateful.
Okay.
Okay. So stateless means so you need to open outbound rules explicitly. You are intentionally.
Okay.
So stateless means you need to open outbound ports explicitly. So
Okay.
NACL. In NACL,
In
what is happening in
what is
NACL?
happening? Yeah. You
We
have
are
to open.
intentionally opening outbound rules, right?
Right.
Explicitly, we are actually opening the outbound rules. This is called as stateless.
That's right.
The default behavior of the outbound rules is stateful. So without touching any outbound rules, it will allow everything. That is the default behavior of the outbound.
Yes.
I hope you got clear this
Yes.
example,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes. Right.
So now NSL you opened. That's good. So let us do
So
one thing. Add rule. Add inbound, not outbound. Inbound, inbound. Yes. Add inbound rule. Here take add rule. Take a number. So custom TCP, you just keep it as usual. And the port range must be 10242655535. Two, yes, exactly. You're right. You're right. 10242655535. that one. No, no, no. I think this one. Yeah, 165535. Yes, just directly, simply you save it. And if you try to hit refresh, also still not work. Why? Because the same process you should do for
Out.
outbound rules because it is stateless.
Okay.
So do the same thing to outbound rules also. Edit outbound rules, add a rule, and you need to keep custom TCP 1024265535. 10242 to 1024.
No, 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 no.
Remove the 2.
1024.
Last one. That remove the 2. Yes, 65535. Yeah, correct, correct. So
And
that
why this
save it.
custom TCP
Custom
only?
TCP. We are keeping custom TCP. Keep it.
Yeah.
We are giving
What
the
do we do that?
custom TCP port.
Okay. This is TCP is the full form.
Transfer control protocol.
Okay. If we do all traffic, what will it
All
do?
traffic means everything will be allowed, right? Why you the range you could not able to mention. For example, if you try to make it as all traffic, you are
Then
everything allow. You are allowing everything, right? But
okay.
here actually we are explicitly mentioning 1024 to 65535.
Yeah, yeah, only inferable,
This range, only
inferable,
this range.
inferable ports. And then in destination, why do we put 00000 in
So
this?
for this and 1024 to 65535, you are allowing the internet.
Okay, okay, okay.
Save
For
it.
this, okay, for this port range, we
Yes,
are buying.
allowing the internet. That's that range only.
Okay, got it. And for this, we are allowing this IP address, and for this internet, this.
Yes,
Okay, got it.
yes. Save
Custom.
it and
If
hit refresh to your that IP address, public IP. After saving this,
in case we put all traffic, then this
everything
port
will be allowed.
zero zero
Everything will
zero
be allowed.
everything will be allowed, but still it will that will work, right? This server, this 13.6
Yes, yes,
will work.
yes, yes. Save this now. So now try to hit refresh that public IP. Yes, you can see my Google,
Yes, got it.
right? So which means using NACL, you are explicitly allowing some sort of a range of ports. That
Yes,
range of ports only you are allowing it. That is called as stateless. By default behavior without NACL, by default behavior, you are able to allow all the outbound rules. Is it correct?
that's right. That's
Without
right.
NACL, if you see the all outbound rules, you can see allow, simply allow. Okay. But after
Yes,
adding NACL, you see deny. You are specifically mentioning outbound rules, some of outbound rules.
yes,
Specifically, you are mentioning some inbound rules for the NACL. NACL level, you are securing it, you are checking it whether I need to allow this 22, whether I need to allow HTTP, or whether I need to allow so and so range. You are checking thoroughly and you are allowing this inbound, internal traffic, and also outside traffic.
yes,
So explicitly doing, right? So that is
yes.
called as stateless and stateful. Default behavior is called as stateful. Okay.
Right, right,
Stateless means explicitly you are allowing some sort of range.
right,
So that is the difference between. Okay. So
right,
this is
right.
all NACL. NACL is highly secured. So whatever you allow only, that part only it will be allowed.
Right, right.
You understood? This is highly secured layer.
Yes,
Okay. So that's all for today. So VPC completely done. NACL is completely done. Just
yes,
do the
yes.
practice and
Yes.
kindly remove EIP.
Yes, sir. So please guide me. So what I'll do is I'll make notes and I'll do everything except the NACL and NAT. Correct?
Except NACL and NAT. Okay, that's fine. But just remove NAT.
Yeah, yeah.
NAT
Please tell
NAT
me.
is already assigning with the EIP, right? EIP is chargeable.
So please tell me how to do it so I do it right away.
Yes,
Like
yes,
that.
yes. First, you need to delete step by step process.
Okay. Should I first go and stop the instance?
Let us no. Let us go first. We nat first. You need to go nat.
Okay. What I'll do is
Just delete disconnect the EIP first.
EIP. What?
Elastic Internet Protocol. Yeah, EIP.
Elastic. Okay.
NAT gateway. If you see NAT, in that only it will be. You can see
This one.
already left side is there, right? NAT. Yeah, yeah. Detach it. Options, actions. In this disable. No. Not disable. Enable transfer. Release it. Release Elastic IP. Yes. Can't one second can't be released associate you need to associate it, right? You just need to come out from, you need to associate level. So go to
Maybe first we have to go
associations,
to
nat
NAT.
go to nat.
First we have to go to. Okay.
Left side options are there, nat gateway. Okay, so here click check mark it. Yeah, here go to
Delete.
options, delete nat. So
Delete.
delete it, so automatically it will be disconnected.
Yes.
So after that, don't use spaces. Okay, deleted, right? So can you cross check once again EIP? So there
Okay.
is left side option is there. Yeah.
Now we.
Now try. Go to release. Let's wait. Let's wait. The following addresses can't be released because they are associated
Remove the
using
association.
actions. Disconnect disassociated elastic IP if there is sources associated with the NAT gateway. EC2 instances. Okay, we already deleted. Let us wait again. So again check mark it.
Okay. Okay. For the time.
Click on that IP, elastic IP address. 51 dot, yeah. One second. Here actions.
Same thing. It will show the same thing.
Disable release IP. Okay. Can you click on that NAT gateway again?
Yeah, exactly. So. Yes.
NAT gateway. Click on that NAT gateway. Left side options are there, right? Okay,
This
just
is.
yeah, deleted, right? Yeah, it is deleted. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So first we, I think maybe it's taking time. So I think maybe when we will delete the NaCl, I think then it will maybe also, maybe it's because it has association with many things. So maybe if we, uh,
No. Actually, if you delete the NAT gateway, automatically EIP will be disconnected.
yes, I think it
Maybe
should.
it will take time.
Okay. So NaCl maybe we will delete and then maybe let's see.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Delete.
Yes,
Right.
delete it. NaCl are associated subnets. You need to remove subnets also.
Oh wow.
Click on that. There is option. Yeah. Blue color subnets. Go to subnets. There itself. Yeah, now the subnet associations are there, right?
Yes. So we'll go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remove this. Yes. Okay. So and so delete NaCl now.
Okay, so we have to delete the associations with the subnets and then delete it. Okay,
Whatever
this is
associations are there, that you need to delete it first. You need to
so
disassociate it. First, you need to disconnect with the relations. Then after, you need to
it's done.
yeah, go to again NAT gateway. I mean EIPs, Elastic IP.
I
Yeah,
think
release it.
really.
Yes, good. Right. So now you no need to go route tables. You need to go delete and no need all. If you delete all,
NAT and NACL.
yeah, yeah. If you delete NAT also, so it will already NAT deleted, right?
Yeah, NAT deleted.
Yeah, yeah. So VPC
Done.
you can, if you want, you can delete VPC. Everything will be deleted automatically along with it.
But VPC is not chargeable. So I delete it and then again make my VPC, or what do you suggest?
Yeah, why should you follow all these things? You just need to do practice from the scratch.
Oh, then again I'll create a VPC. So I'll delete this VPC
Yes,
and then
you should
keep a
do.
new
You
one.
should delete. So at least you need to spend 4 hours for this continuously, Sam.
Yes, so I think I'll delete this.
You
So
need to spend the
VPC.
time on top of this. Okay.
Perfect. So I'll delete it.
Yes, delete it. Not default one.
Oh,
Default one,
come on.
if you try to delete also, it won't delete.
Okay, this one will delete.
Okay. So what is suggesting? So Bastion server, web server, database server, all is going to be delete. So first it unable to delete because it is detached. It is attached with the three servers. It is telling.
Correct.
You understood? So what
Right.
happened? First you need to detach it from that.
Yeah, slowly will finish. Okay.
Slowly, step by step process. One step back. You need to do reverse. So from scratch you
This
went
is
forward, right? Now you need to go reverse way.
this I can do.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But this is not chargeable, so I can yeah, delete it
Yeah, you
on
can keep, not a big deal. No, not a big deal.
fine, fine. So I'll delete it because
Yeah,
I
no problem, no problem. If you want to keep it as a reference, you can keep it also, no problem.
okay. Cool,
Right?
very good, very good. Easy. So next time we'll do what, sir? What task?
So you what? Can you pardon?
What will be the next
So let
task?
us go for S3 simple storage service.
Okay, S3 service. Okay, storage service. I got it.
Yeah, yeah. So I think you have idea, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I have. It.
So then we
S3 is the main storage system for anything.
yeah, yeah. So we can store many things. So let
Yeah,
a lot. So in S3 there are some kind of different storage services are available. Okay.
services are there.
So like standard simply S3 standards will be there. Intelligent tire will be there.
Right.
There are a lot more different S3s are there. So let us discuss all together.
Right.
So let us do S3 from tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
So this is all about VPC and NACL. So this is a very secure layer. That is why VPC called as a isolated. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So project to project, why we need to create VPC in the sense, this is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
So it will not club all together. So it will be completely secure from others and it will be isolated from the other.
Right.
So that is why VPC is very secure,
Right.
right? So that's it.
Okay, sir. See you.
Okay, Sam. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Right.
So at the same time, so we'll start with the S3.
Right.
Discuss tomorrow. We are going to discuss about S3 theory part. Okay.
Okay. you.
Right, Sam. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Take care.
sir.
Bye bye.